so many colors. It may blow your mind, it will open your heart. I run through caves carrying pure essence. Every fracture, every step shining in His presence. Light breaks open where I once felt tension. In every crack I see iridescence. I step on crystals and breathe in stone. Through the fire I see your shine. Forever free, you are divine. You are never hurt alone. I see, I see, I see an iridescent aura. Holding your soul, shaking hands. You don't know where the ship will land. Now every shimmer is a lesson, a spectrum born from iridescence. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I glow through the breaks, I glow through the rain. I gather the pieces broken by pain. Where I was shattered now blooms luminescence. I am made of water glimmering with iridescence. I step on crystals and breathe in stone. Through the fire I see your shine. Forever free, you are divine. You are never alone. I see an iridescent aura. The path was heavy, full of interference, but I kept moving with quiet perseverance. Now every trial shapes my transcendence. I build a future crafted in iridescent, glowing, growing, thriving, alive. The rainbow glows inside. Your soul is crystallized. Now break through your suffering. The rainbow glows inside. Let the world see every gleaming imperfection. Beauty pouring out in colors of resurrection. What try to break me sharpen my intention. I rise anew, my name is Iridescence. And I hold my soul in my hands unafraid. Transforming the ruins of who I was made. A glowing force in constant effervescence. Forever unfolding in miraculous iridescence.